Hey y'all, it's Tamara Michelle. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. So this evening I am bringing you some kitchen cleaning motivation, y'all. It's bad. But hopefully me doing this, y'all, getting through this will give y'all some motivation to get up and get something done around your home. If you're new to my channel, welcome again. My name is Tamara Michelle. Look around to see if this channel is for you. I would love for you to be part of the family, be part of my channel. If you're not new, thank you so much for coming back for another video. I hope you are ready to clean, y'all. Okay guys, so here is the before that I was telling you guys about. My kitchen is a hot mess, but we're gonna get it done today, you guys. So let's get started by clearing off the countertops, just putting the food, any food that's out in the refrigerator, as well as gathering all the dirty dishes and putting them in one area. Kind of keep it an organized cleaning, so to speak, I guess. I feel like having all items in one area will make it a little bit easier to clean. So I today, y'all, was out of dishwasher packs again, and the kitchen needed to be cleaned so bad. So I am going to wash all of these dishes by hand. So if you guys like to see people wash dishes like large amounts, then this is for you. I mentioned in another cleaning video that prior to moving into this home, I wash dishes every day, so I'm not new to it and I can do it. That's not the issue. But if you've been washing dishes by hand as long as I have, and when you moved into a home with a dishwasher, to you that was a luxury. So I'm going to start this long process of washing all of these dishes. What I'm going to do right now is just clean out the sink, and this is the Method heavy degreaser that I'm going to use to clean out the sinks prior to washing the dishes. Y'all, this water was so hot. I had to adjust it a whole lot. I like to start washing dishes with utensils first, then I'll move to cups and glasses, then plates and bowls, then etc., etc. Now I'm going to empty the dishwasher because I totally forgot that I had dishes in there. Otherwise I would have emptied it prior to washing the dishes. So I'm going to empty it because I'm going to rinse the dishes and put them in the dishwasher so I won't have to dry them. And then that way I can just turn the heated warmer, dryer, whatever it is that's on my dishwasher on to dry the dishes, and that'll save me some time. phone down because I was listening to Spotify and it sounded like water was in my speaker or something, and I don't even know how because I had it propped up. So what I'm doing right now, I just took it, my phone down, took the case off and tried to dry it and then restart it and all that kind of stuff, and then it seemed to be okay. So let's hope that it stays that way.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. At me like I know what he's thinking, but I don't have a clue. True talent in avoiding conversation, yeah, it's almost rather cruel. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better.
Knew that this blender top will give me a run for my money, y'all. I could not get this clean for nothing. I make my smoothies daily. If you watched my last video, which was a cook and clean with me, I told you guys the smoothie book that I use to make the smoothies, and this took me a minute to get it clean, but I got it clean though.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is show you what a good time looks like. You can't do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to.
Y'all, at this point, I was so sick of washing dishes. I really was. I was like, oh my gosh, will I ever be done?
I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
Anybody ever had to go for the old knife trick, y'all? You just tired of scrubbing, get you a knife, scrape that stuff off that pan, and move on.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh, na, na, na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down.
So you guys, like I mentioned in my previous video, I've been using the Target Everspring in the scent of, I forgot just that quick, y'all. If you saw it on the bottle, then yes, that's the one that I'm talking about. But it's pretty good. It has a light scent. It cleans pretty good to me too. The cost was good. I hadn't tried any other ones yet. Leave it in the comment section if you guys have tried this product, and if there are other scents that you guys like that you think that I may like or want to try out as well. So I put a pause on Method. I still love Method products, but I am giving this bottle a try.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go.
So right now I just sprayed the Method heavy duty degreaser onto the cooktop, and I'm just taking a soft scrub sponge, scrubbing it off, and then also rinsing it. I'm going to go back over it with, I believe, the stainless steel cleaner just to give it a shine.
No, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no.
Now that all the dishes are clean, I am going to go back in with that Method heavy duty degreaser and clean the sink out after washing the dishes.
You're feeding me lies. Everyone has been bugging me to sever the ties, but I would never, ever, ever would have believed them. No reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seem to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.
So you guys, I'm just gonna finish up by sweeping. I am not gonna mop tonight because I am done. I will mop tomorrow. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this clean with me video. You guys, if you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, you guys. If you are new to my channel, please look around to see if this channel is for you. If it is, I would love for you guys to subscribe. And if you're not, thank y'all so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me.